Are they both on?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Okay, y'all, so I'm doing the cinnamon challenge. I'm nervous.
And we're double phoning over here. I got my phone and your phone.
I should open this probably, just in case.
Is your brightness down?
No, it should be. I'm scared, I don't know why. Okay. Oh, Lord.
You're having contractions over here.
Okay.
Just breathe.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, Andrew. Come on, Andrew. Come on, Andrew.
Mom.
Say that again. Say that again. What'd you say? It's in your nose. What? What'd you say? Please don't. Please don't die.